and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to be trying out Jamaican snacks. We're not trying them because we all have had them before.
Some of them.
But just to see if they still taste the way they used to when we were children. I did an Instagram thingy, and most of the snacks that were suggested, they were made in Jamaica. They're Jamaican snacks, but they weren't made here. So of course, I'm gonna buy them. So I'm gonna buy the one that was read the back of it and it say product of Jamaica.
Made in Jamaica.
Made in Jamaica. So about those, we're going to start with the good old cheese chips.
I don't want a full pack, please.
Okay, so we're going to share. I think we can share a pack.
Yeah, we can.
But you look old though. But
that's how this is how I'm used to cheese tricks. Okay.
So we have two types of cheese chips. Such a hold up yours. So we have national cheese chips and a makeup. And I don't know what brand that is.
Cheese snacks.
Cheese snacks. So we're going to be trying these two to see. This is my fave though.
Oh yes, Superstar.
The Superstar.
Superstar used to be big though. Superstar cheese tricks, right?
Yeah, it used to be bigger. Alright, so we're going to be trying the cheese chicks.
And then we have different flavors.
Oh God, man. What's fresh? Freshy, man?
They had a red one too.
No, we have the red one over here. The sweet one. This nice, man.
It's still. Alright, so I'm not too feel the cheese snacks. It's still bad.
This is good.
Like it not move off of the shelf from long time.
The one is stale. But the other bag looks stale. Open it.
The bag always looks stale.
This is alright. Like a printer run out.
But I think it did probably more cheesy when we did younger.
This? Remember that stomach gas shop?
I remember this.
Especially when we used to buy them at $5 a shop. I don't know how much it is now. I have the receipt over there. I'll put the no price on it. But then it's $5 fee over here. Look at it.
Not a big one.
No man, they look half a size one to that. It looks like this side.
That one,
Alright, so
I don't even like these pieces going off. Used to love them. And when they get their bag juice, because I see that.
yeah. The ice was soft and right.
Every day after I make ball training.
Alright, so
I never lived on the road.
Cigars. And if you're Jamaican and foreign, would I love a cigars right now?
Comment below if you want us to send you a care package.
I got cost. Let me tell you my cigars days. When I used to go to college, we used to buy it on the bus. Like chips and juice man them. With that soft fruit juice.
The cigars taste different. One, it's smaller. And it's more crispier than back then.
Crispy is good just so it's
yeah.
But the thing is, what I remember about cigars is at the bottom of the bag.
You say
yes.
You never like the bottom.
But you used to love the bottom.
You never just like the bottom of the bag. I'm hungry. Alright. So. My only concern is where we're going to put this after we're finished.
I get OJ.
Just the OJ can eat too much nuts.
What?
Alright. We forgot with this, not true.
Yeah.
We used to eat that?
I used to hate
I
this.
like it.
I used to hate this. I never used to take my money and buy one. People buy me that big out.
I never bought that
Superstar
one
is coming out back there.
when I was younger.
Superstar.
Come in a big bag like that.
Superstar. Yo. Superstar cheese tricks was it for me.
Superstar is bad.
Still.
Everything's stale. Oh, this one. I never see a company make
The
this.
Superstars.
I'm not right this
Every
after.
bag of Superstar make this and that.
You remember this? Them is this now the Rasta color them?
No.
You know the color ball?
Yes, I remember.
This is go rich, that's why.
I went to a primary school.
Your primary school? We went to a primary school too. And you had the color ball?
As in the ball them in a red, green and gold. I don't remember.
Just same way, just color ball.
I don't like this.
Yeah, I don't like that at all.
But then I used to eat it when I did younger than that, so I don't know what it tastes like. But I know I don't like it now.
That really tastes good. So this now, Tasha favorite.
Big. Oh, Fonzie.
Tasha love this. But I don't know why.
Fonzie. Mama said about Fonzie and me.
The rich is gonna
Fonzie
taste
and
good though.
me. In a good company.
The right way. I never like Fonzie.
Me love Fonzie. How does you look like a Fonzie?
You like I see.
I probably had this like once or twice. Not my favorite.
I don't know what taste it then. Like then I don't know. And it tastes alright. The cheese chicks now.
It's alright. It's nice and fresh. Shall I eat after all the later for you?
We just want to eat them off in our way, sir.
I love Fonzie.
Our favorite person is getting us one seat. But I can't see, but then again. What do you need to stop dancing for? Alright, we're done with the fun seat. This now. This
Me used to love this.
chicken and chips.
Hate it.
I mean, I tell you, say,
But then the flavor they change between primary school and high school.
chicken and chips was a hit.
I hate the chicken and chips.
Why?
But it's like it.
They alright. Chicken and chips is alright.
Chicken and chips with ketchup. I still love playing with it though.
I don't like the smell. This is a fried chicken and chips.
See if I can fry one chicken.
And it's drumsticks, you know. Them both, you see?
But no chicken not coming out of one.
The chicken they broke. Chicken they never get split out like cook.
In the normal have a lot of chicken in there.
Just the same.
Still
Let me
tastes
tell you
nasty.
Let me tell you Let that blink. Is it time I change?
Yeah.
Oh.
Still tastes nasty.
It not taste nasty. It not taste good, but it not taste nasty.
It's chicken and chips to me. And that barbecue chips. I don't like it.
Oh, you know like barbecue, that's why.
It is.
It tastes good. But that one is still crap. I voted by Chris and I. Alright. What was a Bigfoot cheese stick or cheese?
Bigfoot.
Do some big foot. Grab the chicken and chips on college.
Huh? Alright, so Bigfoot now has two flavors. So this is the original that we know about.
And spicy pecan
What are the spicy share open? And they have the spicy.
I didn't know about this.
You never know?
No.
Cheese is not special, the so many didn't have it. Cheese is not special.
My nephew don't eat these snacks.
So my issue with Bigfoot now, you see when you eat a Bigfoot, it like a taste in your mouth, like an oniony taste. Which is bad.
Who remember onion bits?
They never have done it.
Yeah, they love onion bits.
They love it.
You know, I've seen it for
Try that one like this one. I'm not going to taste the big spice, nothing spicy right now. I'm not in the palate vibe for that. Look at that red, that look like blood. It hot?
Mm-hmm.
I can't get you to do.
I'm good over here.
Yes, it.
Tasha said it tastes good. Tasha will tell us if it tastes good.
The Bigfoot they still taste the same.
Mhm.
Taste not change none at all.
The bag changes but it tastes the same and Bigfoot tastes real good.
I'm gonna have half.
They can't eat that.
Jesus Christ.
Save it. You should push it to the side. But Bigfoot still slap. Bigfoot still tastes good.
This. It tastes good. Spicy tastes good.
Alright, so we have how much more
Spicy,
cheese?
but no.
We have cheesies,
The aftertaste just slap you.
cheese stick, and cheese is our spicy one too. So we're going to do the cheesies. And cheese is our spicy one, but we don't have it because the grocery store doesn't have it. I love cheesies. But you see, my cheesies now, you throw the bag, chips in the bag, mix it up so. Perfect marriage. Cheese is still tasty me.
I never like
But cheese is bag not change.
I
Let's
never
say
like
bag.
cheeses.
How can you not like cheeses? It's Clyde, whatever the word is. Oh,
It tastes the same.
it tastes the same way. Hasn't changed.
What is the fan of cheese? Not still not the fan of cheese.
What's that yellow like cheesy? I don't know. So, we already had this. So we can buy a brand new one. I think cheese stick came about
I remember
to
eating
compete
this.
with cheesies. But certain cheeses are a better flavor.
I remember eating this one with the cheese stick.
You know I blow a white bag. You know I blow a white bag. How Google have the
By the
bag?
sweat.
It's cold kind of free.
Yeah.
You know wait, it's cold.
You know so much something.
And then I make picnic food and then suck it up and beer. Alright.
Just the same.
You can try that, but now I'm trouble.
Big, never fried.
Sure. Come here, Kiana. Let's try to get the one, the look front one.
This?
Yeah, you do American, I can't laugh.
Alright, spicy cheese. What is cheese sticks?
Spicy or sweet?
I'm not sweet.
It's a
Oh,
sweet
sweet
chili.
chili.
Oh. I'm not so like sweet.
I don't like it.
It's nasty.
It smells nasty. Knock it back to son. That doesn't smell good. Somebody who wants it. Alright, I think we're done with all of the cheese sticks something in.
Jesus. Me eat cheese crunchies.
This is the
Cheese
best
crunchies.
snack
Whenever
ever.
them buy snacks, somebody come and I eat off everything and just the cheese crunchies left. Me
Why you not love this?
Me?
These are the best
Yeah,
snacks.
cheese
No,
crunchies.
girl.
Look at that itch.
All when them go make the little cheddar cheese one in the green
Well,
bag.
not you
Who
know
tell them
why.
to do that?
Girl, I don't like cheese crunchies. Me and cheese crunchies are not friends.
Them
Take no
extra.
time.
I don't love my snack. I'm a favorite snack this.
It not no buzz. It not have no buzz.
You tell you, cheese crunch is survival food. Can you say but the bag changed though? So yeah, the bag was red and yellow, but it was see-through. No, you can't come up here for no call center.
No man in the things when I try my friends then it's not good.
Why am I didn't eat this when I younger though?
Can it taste good now?
You know somebody know.
I'll eat it now.
Actually bland. You know when you're a picnic, them can't get bland food.
White chicks.
But I used to just like double cheese too. I know I'll have it.
What double cheese eh?
But they love
They
it.
change the wrapper for double cheese.
Yeah.
And the bag,
I know
I
they
did
got smaller
6 combinate.
Say obviously them doing a smaller size.
But not 6 on the bag.
No, they still have bigger size.
No,
In the bag out there.
I've seen it.
In the bag out there when I go today.
But they like double cheese.
I love double cheese. Double cheese, oh that's not.
Double cheese nice with orange juice.
Let's take your own. We'll have more of this, but we're not trying one more like so easy.
Why? I'm very full.
Alright, so double you see now, as a child, the oatmeal little biscuits.
I never used to do that.
Never used to do that.
Oh, wow!
With the sweet biscuit.
Not
they're
even with
there.
Oreo.
With the
Never used to do it
Never
none of
eat
that.
Oreo.
but I think I could have peeled out the cream.
I know me eat Oreo.
Even that.
Nice. Cause when I go eat out the filling and the sauce of biscuit left, it's not gonna nice.
You're not picking up business.
Me used to throw the peanut butter kiss and roll it up in my hands like bar.
Yeah, when they eat it, like the ice cream, nice.
Nice.
Really nice. So. Alright.
I don't like double cheese though. The cheese tastes fake.
I'll biscuit. Alright. So we'll have. There's a truck at the gate, so we're looking at something. Oh, another day. I never come. Look now.
Maybe I know this.
And it never come. You just stop right this one. With the oil.
They might call around them.
Then the reverse. Alright. So. Banana chips last. Sweet biscuit next.
Well, can they put it on there? Honestly.
No. This big yellow. Did not go with us? Yeah, I'm going to put it in a container. This is yellow, I don't know white orange now.
What that?
The butter one.
Oh.
The
No,
pearl
no,
biscuit.
but I remember that guy. I was never used to know. The
This
bag
ugly-
of
but the part ugly. This is what I like the part. So they need to look, but the bag is yellow. This was my favorite one.
But I know the difference between them, but I do like
But
butter.
Natasha say I couldn't go open all of them.
Me never like butter cheese. Just open the coconut.
But me love cook.
I never like
Not butter
coconut.
kiss. A carrot biscuit in here.
Oh, yeah.
Pearl biscuit. But I don't cook like that pearl biscuit. I don't used to love. Never.
I used to like the butter. That's butter.
No, no, butter.
The butter, you know what butter remind me? What do you not like? You know what butter remind me? Huh? You know the cat. Wait,
Right
there. Come from
You put close to the night. You put
Pin, me love them though.
Then
Butter
that's why.
cookies.
But that's the reason why you
Danish
like it.
cookies.
They eat them there. Not nasty.
This is not bad.
Still tastes yummy.
Those 7 of barley can I put no little butter put it in there.
Damn. We have butter cakes. What one I girl yeah?
Strawberry.
Strawberry was the best one.
No sis.
You love the vanilla?
No sis, chocolate.
No girl.
No, chocolate is bitter.
Mm-mm.
See bitter.
The butter cake still.
Yeah. Carrot biscuit. Anyway, I eat them. We call this butter kiss. And the butter kiss, make the whole of them. So why we got one butter and one parrot?
Because I want to have the parrot pan here too. And this have the
Oh,
big
this is
butter
butter
kiss
cake
logo.
sandwich cookies.
Yes.
Yeah, I swear it was butter cakes.
A butter kiss are the brand.
I was gonna realize, no, I was this day old, this day years old, when I realized that this ain't butter kiss. It's a sandwich cookie made by a company
Called butter kiss.
called butter kiss.
No, right, I thought it was butter kiss too.
I don't know,
When I
man.
got shop at butter kiss, I'll say, no, ask for them sandwich cookie.
I don't know.
Alright, next biscuit, home.
So only one of the butter kiss?
Mm-hmm.
What you want to do? Vanilla?
Strawberry.
Chocolate.
Vanilla nasty girl.
Alright, so this can go over here.
You know they make, I think they make cookie and cream flavor now.
Walk past, come, we can cut you out. Go on quickly.
They make cookie and cream flavor.
I saw it, I was like, nah.
It tastes good.
I don't eat cookie and cream, not even ice cream.
I don't like cookie and cream anymore.
I eat not cookie and cream. This
So
snow,
they get this snow.
your home tail, look at the
Don't
cream.
buy them cream and I make good again, girl. Because one time you can just use a finger so and slide off the cream. Just what child would say.
Yeah, I didn't.
You know, it tastes good. You know, it tastes better only. The thing is, when you're young, everything tastes good.
I don't know if it's because I've been eating a lot of things, but this one tastes right.
It tastes the same because I eat them often. And my American.
Why were you eating these?
When I feel for them now and then, I go to the supermarket. Go back.
Before you start working, and then work they start tomorrow. Replace this.
The trainer calls me to them and tell him, say, oh, you know the soda on the car, on the ground, rolling around, and oh, so you're drinking soda? I'm like, no.
You? The lies that you young people tell.
But when I drink no soda, for sure.
They just them full of something.
No, I never got finish this.
You can't waste this discussion. In the arms of the If you know, you know. Anyways. It's them here now. Them ever get never look say no? These were not like this. Duplex cookie. Hey.
I never like duplex.
Duplex was the best one. Duplex gave you a combination of everything except peanut butter. I don't even know why they make peanut butter. Like, why they need to make?
The original peanut butter duplex that come in a little orange bag.
Like, does it mean?
Didn't I?
I like cooking them tougher now,
I
though.
like to spend my money and buy.
We're not going to eat this because it is a cookie. We're going to do the jackass can. What's with the banana chips? My stomach a turn.
Just like pizza video, guys.
Yeah, I'll see it. So, when you get jackass can now?
Oh, you have more than one?
I'm not
When I do the
going
tea biscuits and the ginger biscuits, then they have to drink with tea. One day we can do a tea challenge.
From when you want the tea challenge.
But let's just show you guys some of the other things. Tea biscuits and ginger biscuits. They're for old people. It's not for young people.
And put you this.
But go with my daddy, but I never yet eat this a day in my life.
No, one.
It can't broke.
Of course.
You can, bro. This is a knockoff. Jackass gonna favor, Jackass gonna favor,
Where's the broken cable?
Thank you. Jackass gonna have ginger and like.
Is the other ginger pepper?
No, sir.
This
This
tastes
ginger is bad.
This tastes
You
cute.
should have ginger biscuit. It's a coconut. It's a
At the first
coconut.
bite, eat the time, and I like it. You have to go only for water for all of this.
Mommy used to bring home this.
As I tried, this was good. It's tough, but it didn't taste good. This tastes nasty.
This no, this thin. This is thin.
This tastes like raw flour.
I'm used to. This number is thick
What
and
kind of
more
fancy
thick.
jackass can this national make? Look like cheese crunches.
It's called Jack Snaps.
This is for my stomach. No, it tastes good. That's
You
not
know,
what
so
I'm...
Jack Snaps, it just want like a cheese.
What?
It want like a cheese.
They made already.
So why this is not a bubble?
I can't eat it.
the national knockoff one taste better.
The chocolate star they look like it's served on the shelf. They are good for a while.
Tail man. Who
Bad.
make it? Then they have one name in the first time. What's up, I make Jesus Christ. I know community make. Just a look, you say. Run a building.
Oh yes, for sure.
You, me not like it the first can. Me a come to talk to you. I never know you, but me a come find you.
I thought it was better. I never want to restaurant around this, so.
That's not good.
You see
Factory.
them stay?
Factory.
No, but then my shop is still coming to buy it. It's the funny part. Alright, the trip stand now done.
Small businesses.
Support them. Support small business.
Alright, this is Saldalza. Saldalza is the brand.
Yeah.
So I did banana chips now. I wanted to get chippies, but
St.
didn't have it.
Mary's banana
This
chips.
is product of Costa Rica.
Guided. That won't be eaten then.
Distributed in Jamaica.
No, product of Costa Rica.
Yes, so we're not eat that.
Yeah, that's not Jamaican.
St. Mary, don't know St. Mary where
I
come
mean,
from.
it's not Jamaican.
This is my favorite banana chips growing up.
It's the worst.
Nice
Ever since my palate has been refined and I know enjoyment and chips.
Nice is one McDonald's Agriculture Road.
But I used to love this banana chips.
Chippies, any day, anytime, anywhere. But 8 St. Mary's, I don't like it. It tastes, it no
Funny enough, this make a St. Mary too.
authentic.
The banana chips make a St. Mary
Like a
too.
plantain chips.
And St. Mary's
We're not
banana
eating.
chips has no dairy breast, so cassava, I think breadfruit chips.
We not eat that
A bunch
every
of stuff.
Plantain chips.
Look at that with St. Mary banana chips now. It have a nice.
Banana chips taste bun up.
It's seasonary.
It tastes bun
Oh,
up.
and them extra crispy, regular, light salt or no salt or something like that. One bag of
that to
variety.
me. No, that chips to me. Put it in.
But it didn't taste
Nice is alright.
I don't like that one here.
So nice is now in a some cheeses. Perfect marriage.
Gluten free, no calorie, no MSG, or something.
We don't
like
like
that.
this because we wanted to try this, so the spicy one, so we'll try it. And
It's fresh bad.
we're not trying with my other snacks them because that will go to waste, so we're not going to eat all of them, if any. So, thank you guys for watching. Don't
So
forget
what's
to
your favorite snacks? What do you enjoy as your comfort food? What is your favorite snack to eat?
and comment below if you want a care package from Prison
At a cost.
or Doctor. So, don't forget to like,
Subscribe, share,
comment.
and all of that jazz. Bye.
Bye.